Welcome, Deep Diver. Today, we're taking a deep dive into something probably on a lot of your minds. What's really going on with protein supplements and anabolic steroids inside your body? How do they truly impact your organs?
Exactly. Our mission today really is to cut through all the noise.
Yeah.
We want to show you the maybe surprising science behind these gym practices.
Yeah.
Reveal the hidden risks you might not know about, and highlight how amazing modern medical imaging can actually give us this non-invasive look inside.
Right. See what's happening under the hood.
Precisely, to uncover their true impact.
Yeah.
So what exactly are we talking about here, beyond just the muscle gains?
We're definitely talking about those popular protein supplements first. Everyone seems to use them for muscle growth, repair.
They're everywhere.
Totally. But our sources suggest there's a really crucial question. When does a good thing go too far? And maybe what subtle but serious costs could be lurking beneath the surface, completely unseen. Okay, let's unpack this protein thing first. We all kind of accept that protein helps muscle repair. But what really jumped out from the sources was finding out that even protein itself, when you overdo it, can push your kidneys into, overdrive.
Hyperfiltration.
Exactly, kidney hyperfiltration. It's like, imagine your kidneys constantly running a marathon, filtering blood way faster than they're meant to.
That sounds exhausting for them.
Right, and over time, this intense workload can lead to something called proteinuria.
Which is protein leaking out.
Yeah, basically protein leaking into your urine. It's a big red flag that your kidneys are struggling, and down the line, this can even, progress to chronic kidney disease.
And it's not just the kidneys, is it? What's fascinating here is that many of these powders have added sugars or artificial sweeteners. If we connect this to the bigger picture, these can actually contribute to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. That shows up as steatosis fatty liver on things like ultrasound and MRI.
Okay, so liver impact too.
Definitely. And then there's this sort of silent threat. Contaminants.
Yeah.
Third-party tests have found things like heavy metals, even undeclared pharmaceuticals in some products.
Wow.
Yeah, which obviously just makes kidney and liver problems worse. And here's something less known. Too many branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs. They're in almost everything. They can surprisingly mess with your body's insulin signaling, potentially leading to insulin resistance, meaning your body just struggles to use sugar properly.
Okay, so even the good stuff needs caution. But now, let's shift gears. Anabolic steroids. They seem like the ultimate shortcut for rapid muscle gain, right?
The allure is strong, yeah.
But the imaging studies, they paint a really stark picture of the true cost. What did our sources reveal about their impact, particularly, say, on the heart?
Absolutely. If protein risks are kind of subtle, steroid impacts are often pretty dramatic. And the imaging makes that crystal clear. We're talking about profound changes to the heart muscle itself.
Like what specifically?
Specifically, left ventricular hypertrophy. That's where the heart's main pumping chamber thickens up, making it less efficient. We also see increased collagen deposition and myocardial fibrosis.
Scarring, essentially.
Exactly. Scarring and stiffening of the heart muscle. And these changes, they can lead straight to systolic dysfunction, the heart struggling to pump blood effectively, and arrhythmias, irregular heartbeats.
And you can see this on scans.
Strikingly visible. With echocardiography, cardiac MRI, it's quite clear.
That sounds incredibly serious. And the heart, that's just one piece of it, right? What other organs are surprisingly vulnerable to long-term steroid use, and how does imaging show that damage? That's
a really important question, because it's not just the heart. Our research showed significant steroid-induced liver injury too, things like cholestasis. Basically a slowdown or blockage of bile flow from the liver. And even adenomas, which are benign but still tumors. CT scans and ultrasound are key for spotting those.
Okay.
And maybe one of the most surprising findings, structural brain MRI. It actually reveals reduced cortical thickness and less gray matter in long-term users.
Wait, actual changes to the brain structure?
Yeah, actual physical changes, suggesting potential cognitive and psychiatric effects way beyond just muscle gain. And we can't forget the endocrine system, disruption, hypogonadism, infertility, high-res ultrasound can pick that up too. It's really a broad, consuming picture of systemic impact.
Wow. Okay, so pulling this all together, what does this mean for you listening? It sounds like it really comes down to smart practices, not just chasing gains blindly.
Totally.
For protein, the sources seem to consistently suggest aiming for a balanced intake, generally around about 0.8 to 1.5 grams per kilogram of body weight per day.
That's the range, yeah. And prioritizing whole foods over powders whenever possible.
And crucially, choosing third-party tested products. That seems vital to avoid those hidden contaminants we talked about.
Absolutely critical.
And maybe if you are using higher doses, getting your kidney function and liver enzymes checked annually sounds like a really smart move.
Very sensible advice. Now, regarding non-medical anabolic steroids, the clear, resounding message from all the research is just avoid them, period.
Right.
If you have been exposed, screenings like cardiac MRI, liver ultrasound, they become vital for potentially catching structural changes early.
Really, detection is key.
Exactly. End of the day, it's about a balanced lifestyle, isn't it? Not shortcuts. Focus on a varied diet, consistent progressive resistance training, and importantly, talk to sports medicine specialists for safe, personalized strategies. Your long-term health is the real prize here.
Yeah, this deep dive really hammers home that while protein powders and steroids might promise faster performance, they definitely come with serious, often hidden organ risks. Understanding what's happening inside your own body, which we can now do thanks to these incredible imaging technologies, that's your ultimate power tool on your fitness journey.
Couldn't agree more. Educate yourself, always use evidence-based approaches, and please prioritize your long-term health over any quick fixes. Your body will absolutely thank you for it. Train smart, stay safe.
And always remember, knowledge is your most powerful muscle.